Where is he? 10 seconds before the whistle, and you think this is a good time to fill it at sea bass?
Yes? No.
Really, Terry? Fucking useless. It's penalties, and you're cooking a chili.
How did you get in here?
I crawled.
Just grabbing snacks for the game.
Just get them delivered, you donut.
What are you doing?
Thank you.
You need to leave, Gordon Ramsay.
Who could cook at a time like this? With hundreds of deals on Uber Eats.